곳으로 날까봐 널 시간을 거슬러 배려가 널 찾아가 knock 매일 빛날 새로운 세계로.
Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So today this video is also gonna be somewhat of a different video because well, I do not know this group. I absolutely have no idea about this group. It's a completely new thing for me. Before all the reactions that I've done, those reactions had been to the groups which were familiar to me. But Astro is a group which I really have no idea. It's a fourth generation group, I think, and fourth generation boy group, and that's it. I really don't know anything else. How many members? I really have no idea. So before we get to the reaction, we're just gonna do a little research and get to know at least the names of the members. Okay, so we're here at the Astro members profile. This is their recent comeback, right? Gateway. And the title track is Knock. Okay, South Korean boy group, 6 members. Cool. Jinjin, MJ, Eunwoo, Moonbin, Rocky, Sanha. Fandom name is Aroha. Okay. 6 members. Jinjin, leader. Jinjin's the leader and the rapper. Okay. Can speak Korean and English and basic Chinese. Okay, so MJ is Minjun, main vocalist. I really am surprised how they've managed to find stuff like shoe size or favorite superhero. I mean, yeah, there are variety shows and stuff, but still. Ooh, role model is Seunggi. Isn't Seunggi like Yuna's boyfriend or something? Yuna from SNSD. Chanwoo, how does he look? They all look perfect in these photos. I'm like, it's how do they look is a really awkward question because they're like, oh, he's the face of the group, a vocalist, visual. Birth name Lee Dong Min. How did I come with Chanwoo? I'm sorry, Cha Eunwoo. Did I say Chanwoo? It's Eunwoo. Cha Eunwoo. Moonbin. He looks like Top from Big Bang a bit. Moonbin, main dancer. Okay. Center. He's the center. He can play the piano. He's friends with Icons Chanwoo and SFNS Chani. His role model is Taeyang, okay, and is friend with Jungkook and Seungkwan from 17. Rocky, Park Min Hyuk, again main dancer and rapper. Cool. First trainee that was introduced with photo test cut. And Sanha, he's the maknae, I guess. Yeah. Beagle, pure and innocent. He's Christian, eating, can't drink coffee. Favorite color is pink. Okay. Cool. So basically, I just wanted to know the names and members themselves. 6 members. Debuted in 26. Okay, it's not like a recent group. It's a pretty old group. It debuted in 2016. How have I not known of them then? I've heard of them before, but I thought they were very recent group. Strange. Interesting. So, we're gonna check out Astro's recent comeback, Knock. It's their gateway album, as they have said here. Let's check it out. I have no idea what to expect. I've not seen the teasers at all. Yesterday it was trending on Twitter. That's why I was like, oh, interesting. Let's check this out too. I think Natty is debuting tomorrow. So we'll check her out tomorrow. If you're liking this video, please leave a like. Please leave your comments on what you want me to react to next. Subscribe. It would help me a lot. Please. Thank you. And Astro Knock. 3, 2, 1. Okay, that's the logo. Okay, I've seen this logo before. They're a pretty old group. Okay, Moon. Soft vibes. Seems like a love song. Love and breakup song. Starry Night. It's like the theme is like moonlight and moonshine and the night. That seems to be the theme here. Ooh. Okay. This is Ginger, the rapper. Okay. Not bad. Continuously increasing the key. Let's listen to the drop again. It was continuously increasing the vocal range. Up. Okay, they came down a bit here. Okay, interesting. It's a good beat. Infinity effect there. Walking up a stair which is going down. The visuals are really, again, moving the stairs which are going down. So he's like walking at the plane. Ooh, that's break. Let's watch that again. Very nice. Is he the dancer? Okay. He's dancing in water. Wow. The rap is really cool. It's different. It's like soft rap. Many times what happens in such groups for like a softer concept or something, this I've seen many times, like even in groups like insanely popular groups like Mamamoo and stuff, there are some parts where like for a soft song you can't give those vocal lines to the rapper sometimes. I really don't know why. Is it because of lack of skill? But generally the rappers don't get the vocal lines for a soft song, for any song in fact, but in hard songs the rap seems to be come out naturally, but in softer songs it's like even though there is no need or no necessity for a rap to give parts to the rapper, the a rap part has to be included, and it's included, and maybe many a times it does suit well, but sometimes it does seem a bit awkward that you are having such a soft such a emotional and vibey song, and suddenly a rap break comes, and you're like, oh, whoa, that wasn't necessary there, but this is kind of fine.
있는지 알 것 같아 너의 신호가 느껴져 보고 싶을 때마다 네가 나타나
The flow here is a bit soft too, so it's suiting the song.
어둠 속에서 널 찾아가 no
I like the hook. The hook's really good. There's a triple beat there, which is repeated continuously at the end of the bar. Pa, pa, pa. Pa, pa, pa.
어둠 밤을 끝이 날 거야
Okay, bridge.
우리 스쳐 지나갈 거야 모두 새로워질 거야 no
Okay, vocals. Again, rap break. There are two rappers, right? Because they're switching between the rappers. The hook's really good. The hook's really good. Pa, pa, pa. The aesthetic of the video is also really good. It's based on the darker spectrum. It's a lot of black and lot of light bluish white. The rapper is good. He's definitely a good rapper. Okay. Extending the bridge, I guess. Ooh, that was a good end. Okay, wow. Anything else? Okay, ending pick. Interesting. That was nice. There are like 2-3 things that must be said. First of all, I expected this to be a newer group, but it's not actually new. They debuted in 2016, so they have like 4 years of experience now, which is so for a debut group, you're like expect the company to handle everything. They generally, a debut group does not have say on its songs. Special cases maybe groups like G Idol, who are insane, but mostly they do not have much control over what they debut with. They are given the song, they are made to feel the song instead of them making the song they feel. They are made to feel the song made for them. That's the case for debut groups. This is, however, not a debut group, so I expect some of the members to take part in the production of the song, or write lyrics of the song, or feel of the song. If that's the case, let me know in the comments below. Tell me if some of them are producers of their songs themselves. I would really like to know, because that that gets the respect up of the artist. If you think of BTS, the genius RM and Suga, they are always thought of as genius because they make their songs. So I don't know if any of these guys make their songs, or the company gives them their songs, or the company producers do that. Second of all, it's a good song. It's not a bad song. The vibe is really chilly, not chilly in that sense, chilly as in more chill. You're like cool vibe. It's not a very powerful song. It's a relaxing flow, not uber emotional as well. It's a good song in all. It's a well-rounded song, I might say. If you want me to compare it to something, the feel of the song feels like, have you heard of Mamamoo Gleam? It sort of gives similar feelings to that, because of the flow. The tempo is slower than hard going song, and the rap section is really clear and smooth. It's not a really hard rap. It's not a really too much powerful rap. It's a relaxing rap as well. So that's the first song that came to my mind when I heard this. Interesting. I like this. The visuals are amazing, as you expect with K-pop songs in general, because come on, it's K-pop, so you gotta give some respect. I'm kidding. Thank you guys for watching. Tell me what you want me to check out next. Natty coming out tomorrow, definitely checking that out. IU featuring Suga in 8 coming out. Who else? Blackpink is coming out soon. Twice is coming out soon. Somi might be coming out. I don't know. Red Velvet's they're just news, but Red Velvet's Swilgi and Irene subunit, whenever that comes out, whenever the Blackpink and Lady Gaga collab comes out, lots of stuff to check out. Yeah. So thank you guys for watching. Please leave a like, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in a later video. Bye bye.